Hey, what's happening, my friends? Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome to this video. This is module 5 of affiliate slash online marketing for beginners. This module 5 is traffic generations and growth strategies. All right. You can get all these 8 modules for absolutely free if you visit my website at freedomlifebusiness.com. That's freedomlifebusiness.com, and you can get all 8 of the modules for absolutely nothing. All right, so let's move on. So, organic traffic, SEO, content marketing, and blogging. SEO, which is search engine optimization. Techniques to improve a website's visibility on search engines includes on-page SEO, optimizing content and meta tags, and off-page SEO, which is link building and authority building. Content marketing, the creation and distribution of valuable content to attract and engage an audience. This is a long term strategy focused on building a strong relationship with your audience. This is actually your best method, and guess what? It's free. You don't have to pay anything. Blogging is the same way. It's free as long as you provide value to your audience. That's what you got to do. Content marketing is all about providing value to your audience. If you provide value, you get leads. When you get leads, you get sales. Okay, blogging the same way. It's just a different strategy. Regularly publishing articles related to your niche, which helps in establishing authority, building a community, and driving organic traffic. So let's move on. Now, these are paid traffic, introduction to PPC, and social media ads. Now, these ones you have to pay for. So you're better off going for the long term, unless you got the money. You're better off doing the free way to do it. So PP, like what we talked about here earlier, this content marketing, that's very very effective as long as you provide value. All right. So, oops, sorry. Pay per click, an online advertising model where advertisers pay each time a user clicks on their ad. This is usually associated with search engines. Social media ads, ads placed on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. They allow for detailed audience targeting based on demographics, interests, behavior, and more. All right? So these are all paid. If you got the money to spend, then go right ahead and do that. But I still think the method we talked about earlier is the best way to do it. You at least build a relationship with your audience, and that's more long term. With this, these are all cold leads, and people don't know you, and so they're harder to convert. So moving on, leveraging social media for organic reach, profile optimization. Ensure that social media profiles are complete, professional, and consistent with branding. This is part of your free method. That is part of your free method. All right. Engaging content. Publish content that encourages likes, shares, and comments, which boosts organic reach. All right. Again, this is your free method. Consistency. Regular posting helps keep the audience engaged and attracts new followers. All right. Community engagement. Actively participate in conversations, reply to comments, and join relevant groups and forums. Very, very important to get engagement and to obtain leads, and in turn, you'll get sales. All right, moving on. Email marketing for affiliates. Very, very important. List building. See, whenever you build an audience, you build a list. That's when they become your leads. They're not a lead until they hit your email list. So you have to build a list so you can stay in touch with your list at all times. And your list has to grow day by day, it has to grow. So list building. Use lead magnets like free ebooks, courses, or webinars to encourage website visitors to subscribe to your email list. All right? Segmentation. Categorize your email list based on audience interest, behavior, or demographics to send targeted content. Newsletters, which is basically an email that you send out every day, let them know what's going on. Regularly send curated content, product recommendation, and personal updates to keep your audience engaged. That way they know that you're still there. They know that you're for real. Automation. Use tools to automate email sequences such as welcome emails or follow ups after purchase. Very, very important. That's how you keep your customers for residual income month after month after month. Keep your keep your audience engaged. All right? Moving on. Collaborations and partnerships. Guest blogging. Write articles for other websites in your niche to tap into their audience and build backlinks. All right? Join joint webinars or live sessions. Partner with others in your niche for joint content sessions, allowing both parties to tap into each other's audiences. Affiliate exchanges. I'm not too big on that, but it does work. Recommend other affiliates' products in exchange for them promoting yours. I don't recommend this one, but it's fairly effective. Influencer partnership. Collaborate with social media influencers to tap into their audience and boost credibility. This is a good one. Very, very important. Very, very important. So keep that one in mind. All right? So, the essence of this module is centered on the diverse ways to attract and sustain audience attention. Both organic and paid methods are essential. Just pick the one that works for you. All right? You don't necessarily have to have the pay per click if you don't have the money to start your business. You're better off doing the free method, and it is very, very effective. And I think it's even a little more effective than a paid kind. All right? Each having its own advantages, and combining them can create a balanced and effective traffic generation strategy. All right? As I told you earlier, if you would like to obtain all the 8 modules of the basics of affiliate slash online marketing tutorial for absolutely free, go to freedomlifebusiness.com, or you can go click on a link below in the description. I will see you in module 6. Until the next video, see you next time.